Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I am collaborating with Amzchef. I think that's how you say it. I have a juicer from them too. I love their products. This is the Brodhead from them. If you go to the website, I will link the website down below, and you all can get 30% off of this Brodhead or any purchase that you purchase on it. And the code is Crazy Mama Life. I will put it up there and down below. But I have it open, the Brodhead for it, and it's supposed to have like 8 settings on it, I think, or more. So, and like I said, it comes with the brush so you can clean it. I like the products a lot. I got the juicer, and I love it. You will see me use that before. I like making homemade lemonade with it. So, and when Zoey wanted a smoothie after she got off basketball practice. Oh, that's huge. So I think when she gets home, I'm going to have her make a smoothie so we can see how easy it is to use. Is that all one? Yes. So, I'm going to go take that outside for trash. Okay. This is going to come in handy a lot, you know, because Zoey likes making smoothies and stuff like that, so I know it's going to come in handy. Yeah, put this something like that. Oh, I like that where you can just put stuff so you don't have to take it off. While stuff's in it, you can just take this off, I guess. And yeah, I like that a lot. And it just tightens on now. I'll be right back. And it just tightens on now. So yes, I like that a lot. And really don't know what this is for, so I'm going to look at the instructions real quickly. See what that's for. I'm supposed to put that somewhere. Okay, so I'm guessing, no? Oh, you are, duh, I'm such a blonde. This does this so you can make, yeah. I was like, what is this? That's what this is, you all. We figuring it out all together, okay? We are figuring it out together. And this has It has a timer, has time, speed, menu. Oh, this is cool. You can do ice. That's pretty cool. This burner has 8 settings, you all. It is pretty awesome, I do have to say. It has a timer, speed, ice cream, smoothies. It has everything in here. Like, this is pretty awesome. Look, I'll show you. All you have to do is do that. I don't know if you all can see it. Let it focus. And then over here you can put how the speed and stuff you want. Ain't that cool? Let's see. Yeah. And then it comes with the instructions. So this is all. I don't know. Yeah. So way home right now. When she gets here, we will make a smoothie in this beautiful machine. You all, I'm so excited about this machine. And there will be a 30% off coupon code. It's Crazy Mama Life. And I will put the code and the link down below. And I will also put the code up here. But yes, I love this machine. I love it. So I will be right back. When she gets here, we will do the smoothies. Strawberry banana smoothie. And it calls for Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. I don't have that, so we are using strawberry yogurt.
Yeah, strawberry yogurt.
And it'd be fine. It will be fine, I promise. Okay.
Okay, I can smooth that.
People doesn't at all hold on the taste situation, but oh, this had that thingy on it. Oops.
Okay.
Yeah. It's gonna be okay. And my hands all clean, by the way. Might just be a strawberry.
There's some bananas in
I
there.
know, but
If you need to, you can cut up some bananas.
I ain't frozen.
So, wait.
There we go. Okay.
Oh, that bar. And that must be.
Well, that's great.
That's okay.
It went ever well. You on this eyeballing?
You all
Until-
killed monkeys last night?
Yeah, they're jumping off. Till my ancestors told me not to pour no more. Okay, so you want to do it? The speed goes all the way to 10. So, push start. And then do the speed. Right now, push the
Milkshake.
not milkshake, smoothie.
That's what I was pressing.
Okay. And go up. You can go up to it. Now start. stops by itself. Let's see. Make sure it got it off. Can you go get that black thing?
What black thing?
No, it didn't. Over there.
What thing? Oh, this thing? Oh, yeah. That's cool.
It is cool, isn't it?
Let me do it. Can I do it?
Here, push it. No. Oh. Let's see now. Ew. Lay that on the yogurt thing, it'll be fine. We're gonna have a mess to clean up, Zoey.
I'm not cleaning it.
You will.
That should be good.
Okay, I don't know why.
You're supposed to. Hang on a minute.
I did that.
Yes.
Okay, that ain't. I think it's done.
Is it not done?
That's a frozen piece right here.
Let me do it.
Hold on. Okay. You pushed it. No, you can do that.
I'm gonna go wash this out, and this Twinkies cup will be my tasting cup.
And it's easy to take off too. They probably could get a little bit more good enough.
It's okay.
Yeah, let's do it a little bit more.
No, it's fine.
Well, look down. I'm gonna do mine a little bit more.
I'll be back. Test.
Don't know if it is. It's Dairy Queen.
The Dairy Queen's with test.
Alright, so the smoothie is pretty good, you all. And it didn't cut all the frozen stuff up, but it wasn't the machine. It was me. I was doing it wrong. I should have pushed the button down, but
Monkey is awake.
of course he is. But I figured it out. We figured it out together.
It's really good.
This machine is awesome. Let me just tell you, it's awesome. You want this, puppy? Want to try? No? Okay. I will have a link below and a 30% off coupon. The code is Crazy Mama Life. And you can use it on this machine or anything on the website. So I'm going to wash the dishes and wash the dishes from the subboard. And then I think I'm gonna decorate this for Halloween. I'll show you all right here. If I don't, I'm gonna decorate this right here for Halloween. And yes, I know that's bright stuff. I think I'm gonna put some curtains or something up so we won't be able to see that. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna decorate this, do dishes, and wash the countertops. I'm gonna start dishes first, and then I'm gonna do everything else. Take this out.
Open my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our notes. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and
Okay, we totally forgot about these bananas. So I'm going to peel them and then put them in a baggie and then freeze them. Oh, I'm going to keep this bag. I'm going to do 2 bags. We can make banana bread with these or more.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you.
What, Bubby? What are you doing? What? You want yogurt? Shut that refrigerator. Thank you. There you go.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care.
I'm going to put these in the freezer to make banana bread later on. This probably next month in October.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in mine. what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when
Okay. So, did that. Let's take a light of this. I don't know if you all can see it. Let's take a light of that.
for the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I've found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do, I ain't over you. I ain't over, I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle. Just a face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though we were toxic, feels the most when you've lost it. That's just
Okay, so I'm gonna put these dishes up. Let's do that next, I guess. You are hot already. And if I didn't tell you how much I love this burner, it's easy to clean. I love it. It's gonna come out handy. I can make sauces in this. I can make apple butter. I can't wait.
you got me acting out. You, all tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cruel. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. You promised me roses and hungry heads, but now there's only madness. Got me feeling dusty, got me feeling dusty. I can't even whisper and it's hard to see. Don't take my hand away from me. Please tell me it's a dream. The worst kind you've ever dreamed. Don't wanna lay another night here without you. Don't wanna walk another mile. I just can't.
So, I got these shoes from Goodwill. This is a jacket I'm going to wear. And then I got this jacket. Very cute.
What are you wearing it for?
Picture day.
For picture day? Yep, it looks cute, Zoe.
Me. No, picture me. I'm gonna
think that'd be cute. Okay, so.
And then do my makeup.
Yeah, that'd be cute.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like, the decorations, and
The decorations are very cool and
I wish I had some green pumpkins. I know I have green pumpkins somewhere, because this is too much orange, I do believe. But I'm gonna show you.
It's very demure.
There's that up there. I don't know if you all can see. And that one up there. And then there's the stove. So we move.
Oh, sorry.
And that's my smoothie. That's going to Dirty Laundry. That's going to Dirty Laundry. And this is breakfast smoothie.
Mom,
So-
what is this?
What? Oh, this is the code? Yeah.
See.
I'm going to end the video here. And I will put that link.
Mom,
It's a Amzchef website down below, and the 30% off coupon is Crazy Mama Life. I will put that down below too, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.